Hi, this is Glenda. I was watching Dawn at Dawn Stamping Thoughts and she did an explosion gatefold card, and I liked it. It seemed to be a variation on other ones that I'd seen. It's super simple, nice and quick to make, and she had two sizes, and I thought I'd like something slightly in between. So mine's only half an inch bigger, but it's a different size. I've made a measurement sheet for my own purposes, because that's how I like to remember how to do these things. So I'll put a link to my measurement sheet and to Dawn's video as well. I've been making cards for playgroup kids, so they're just very simple birthday cards. We have about 70 in our playgroups, and so it's a fair bit of card making, and they're the ones I've come up with, and basically just using stickers. So I assembled my cards ever so slightly differently to Dawn's method, so I thought I'll share it. You need two pieces the same size to make your card. Your base card is, for my measurements, were 9 by 4.5, and then you've got a piece of double-sided paper, the same 9 by 4.5. We're going to score the base one at 2 1/4 and at 6 3/4, and then I'm going to try and remember to do this. With this, the fold, it ends up with a water bomb fold on each end, and I keep getting mine back to front, but that's okay because it's really easy to reverse it. So I'm going to score on the back of my paper at 2 1/4 and 6 3/4, and then I just need a little mark at 4.5 on each side. This is where we differed. Dawn folded hers over, lining the marks up. Excuse me. I used my scoreboard, and if I could see the marks in this light, I'll just resort to a pencil, I think. It's really dark here today. Winter is settling in. So we're going to score from that halfway mark, 4.5, down to the corner. And again on this one. And then the other end is the same thing. And this will be quite easy to see in the diagram on the measurement sheet. So I've got, don't think it shows any better on that side, but I've basically got a cross there and two lines. So my lines I'm going to mount and fold like that. The other end, and then my crosses are going to be valley folds. You just want them to be nice and accurate, basically. And then these just come in like that. I'll smooth it down again. Again, they just fold right in. If you need to tweak it at all, you do so. But it really comes, if you've been fairly careful on doing those angles, it really comes together quite well. rid of my scoreboard. I'm going to fold my gatefold ends in. Now this is another place where we varied. Dawn put hers on and carefully lined it up. I opened mine out and carefully lined it up. So what we're going to do is this big diamond shape here, put adhesive on the back of just that. And line it up. I'll just see if I can find an eraser for those marks. I had it not long ago. There it is. Then fold these back in again, and this time we put adhesive on these triangles. Just bring over the gatefold. Pop something on it for a minute. And then I've got two mats to go on the front, which are 2 by 4 1/4. I notice I have a little overhang on here, and all you have to do is open it out again and trim it off. Sometimes it happened and sometimes it didn't. And it's all good. So then on the inside I have got a square that is 2 7/8, and that's just going to go in there. You can obviously add more decoration inside, just don't put it on the fold lines. And there's a belly band which is 3/4 of an inch by 10. And clearly I didn't cut this one down. have just a circle butterfly to go on there. And we call it good. I'll probably add another couple of butterflies to decorate that, but that's the card. It really is simple and enough of a wow that it's worthwhile. But thanks for watching, and thanks to Dawn for showing us that one.